Welcome to Mosaic, a vibrant master-planned community here in Celina, Texas, where nature, recreation, and modern living come together beautifully. Hi, I'm Lisa Lee with American Legend Homes here in Mosaic, and I'm excited to show you this vibrant community. Mosaic is truly something special. Spanning 760 acres, it's designed for an active and connected lifestyle. Featuring 2 stunning amenity centers, a lazy river, and over 100 acres of open space and parks. And here's something unique. The Greenway Connection ensures that every home is within a 5-minute walk to a greenway or park. Whether it's a bike ride, morning jog, or a peaceful evening stroll, Mosaic has plenty of trails, lakes, and outdoor spaces for you to enjoy. Love the outdoors? You'll love Mosaic. Stocked fishing lakes with piers, bike trails, adventure play areas, and cozy fire pits make this community the perfect place to unwind and connect with neighbors. At American Legend Homes, we believe your home should be a reflection of you. We offer 40-foot, 50-foot, and 60-foot wide home sites with floor plans ranging from 1,650 to 4,500 square feet, and with customizable options like extra bedrooms, media rooms, and extended outdoor living. Your home is built for the way you live. And talk about convenience. Mosaic is located off Frontier Parkway, only 1 mile west of the Dallas North Tollway and close to Highway 380. Plus, families will love being part of the highly acclaimed Prosper ISD, offering top-tier education just minutes from home. We would love to help you find your next home here at Mosaic. Give us a call at 972-347-9977. We cannot wait to show you around. Discover the American Legend difference at Mosaic. Visit us today or learn more at amlegendhomes.com.